equation of line. So first we are taking the coordinate axis here. These are the x-axis and y-axis. Now we are drawing I draw one line AB such that the line AB cuts the x-axis at the point A comma 0 and cuts the y-axis at the point 0 comma B. Then this is called the equation of a line in intercept form, and here A comma P are called the intercepts of the line on the x-axis and on the y-axis. Now in this case we are taking the equation of the line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the equation of the line in intercept form. If a line cuts the x-axis and y-axis at the points A comma B, then we are saying that this is the intercept of the line, and the equation of the line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Here where A is the x-intercept and B is the y-intercept. And next case, if suppose this is the line makes an angle theta with the x-axis in the positive direction, with the positive x-axis in the positive direction, then what is m value? M is equals to tan theta. And suppose if this line makes an intercept C on the y-axis, this is the y-axis, the line makes an intercept C on the y-axis and the coordinates of this point is equal to 0 comma C. Now in this case the equation of the line is taken as y is equal to mx plus C. Now this is called the slope intercept form of a line. Equation of a line in slope intercept form, y is equal to mx plus C. Equation of a line in intercept form, x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. And next, if suppose we have 2 points here, a is equals to x1 y1 and b is equals to x2 y2. Now what is the equation of the line? Passes through these 2 points. The formula is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Now if suppose we have 2 points, then we find the equation of the line by using that formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here x1 y1 means in place of x1 y1 we can take any of the given points, and m is equal to slope of this line, and we find the slope value by using the formula m is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now this is the equation of a line in slope point form. Here one point is there and slope is given. Now in this case we find the equation of the line by using this formula, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And next, if suppose we have 2 lines here like that, so the 2 lines are parallel lines. What is the definition of the parallel lines? If 2 lines are said to be parallel lines, if the angle between them is equals to 0, that means the definition of the parallel lines is the lines which never intersect are said to be the parallel lines. That means the angle between the 2 lines is equal to 0, and the condition for the parallel lines is slopes of the lines are equals. That is, if the slope of the first line is equals to m1 and slope of the second line is equal to m2, then the condition for the 2 lines are parallel is m1 is equals to m2. This is the condition for parallel lines. And perpendicular lines. What are perpendicular lines? Perpendicular line means if the angle between the 2 lines is equals to 90 degrees, then the lines are said to be the perpendicular lines. Angle between the 2 lines is equal to 90. And here, if suppose the slope of the first line is equals to m1 and the slope of the second line is equal to m2, then the condition for the perpendicular lines is m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. That is, if the lines are parallel to each other, then the condition m1 is equals to m2. If the lines are perpendicular to each other, then the condition is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. And we know the slope of the first line m. Now what is the slope of the perpendicular line? We have to, the slope of the first line is equals to 2. Then what is the slope of the perpendicular line? Now we want to find the perpendicular line slope. Now that is, here we have the formula m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. So given that here slope value is equal, slope of the one line is equal to 2, that is 2 into m2 is equal to minus 1, and the value of m2 is equals to minus 1 by 2. That is, if we know the slope of the one line in the perpendicular lines, then we can take the slope of the perpendicular line by using the formula minus 1 by m. So if slope of the one line is equal to m, then the slope of the perpendicular line is equal to minus 1 by m. Now different forms of equation of line. The first formula, the equation of a line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where a is the x-intercept and b is the y-intercept. And the second formula, the equation of the line in slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope of the line and c is the y-intercept. And the next formula, the equation of a line in point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where m is the slope of the line and x1 y1 is a point on the line. And the next one, the definition, the lines which never intersect are said to be the parallel lines, and the condition for parallel lines is m1 is equal to m2. That is, if the slopes of the two lines are equal, then the lines are said to be the parallel lines, where m1 comma m2 are the slopes of the lines. And if the lines are parallel to each other, then the angle between the lines is equal to 0. And if the angle between the two lines is 90 degrees, then the lines are said to be the perpendicular lines, and the condition for the perpendicular lines is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. If the product of the slopes is equal to minus 1, then the lines are said to be the perpendicular lines, where m1 comma m2 are the slopes of the lines. Now these are the parallel lines, these parallels are like that, and these are the perpendicular lines. Now if the slope of the one line is equal to m, then the slope of its perpendicular line is minus 1 by m. That means if we know the slope of one line, then we can find the slope of the perpendicular line by using the formula minus 1 by m.